my name is Himanshu. I'm the CEO and Director for Jendamark in India. I'm here at my lecture exhibit event from Tech Mahindra and Jendamark. And we're very happy to be here to present what we have been doing as Jendamark and creating a solution for the manufacturing industry. 6 months back, we started our journey with Tech Mahindra exploring a future of partnership. And I think this is a good platform where we could get all the tech employees together and showcase them what has been happening for us. I would say 10 years in India with Jendamark, and more than that, last few years in the old software solution, which has in a way revolutionized a lot of manufacturing activities by the software which we have offered. While the product is mature and customers have used it, we are quite keen to establish an association with Tech Mahindra, and as Tech Mahindra's slogan goes, "Speed to speed." I think it fits to that in a very good way for us. Yeah, over to Mati.
Thank you much, and thank you, Jendamark, for doing this. In our journey of value creation for our customers within the manufacturing vertical, this is a very important partnership and a milestone for us. I think together between Jendamark and Tech Mahindra, there are immense amount of value which we can add to our customers in terms of buying services and solutions based on Odin and various other products complete future as well as we go by. It's a very strategic partnership for us because, if you look at the core manufacturing processes in the context of factory of future, Odin fits in very nicely with Tech Mahindra's overall solution bucket. And what we would carry to market in terms of the end value is going to be of immense for our customers. And thank you very much. Thank you for doing this. And we appreciate it. Okay. Thank you.